the Blue Ridge Parkway today. Last time we did a video, we did Black Balsam Knob. This time we are here to do Sam Knob and the flat Laurel Creek trail loop. 4 miles, 800 elevation gain. Let's go to it. So we are starting a little later than we normally do. This is a 2-hour drive for us. We had some stuff to get done this morning. This is like 12:30, 1 o'clock now probably. The parking lot out there is so full. But so far, the beginning of the trail has just been us, which has been super nice. We made it to the top. The hike up here wasn't that bad and the view is great. This is the view from Sam Knob. We just finished the Sam Knob portion of this trail. Now we're gonna start the actual loop part. The flat Laurel Creek, the Sam Knob part was amazing, totally worth it. So let's see how this one is. Right there. Y'all, this Laurel Creek part of the trail has been so nice. I feel like nobody ever talks about this section. There's always Sam Knob, which is great. But I didn't realize there was gonna be so many creek crossings. And I love creek crossings. And then you walk through the creek for a little bit too, so super cool. Hike. We clocked in at right after just a little bit of 4 miles. Loved this hike, definitely rank it on one of our top hikes. We're gonna go hit up the Blue Ridge Parkway now. So we decided to go back home a different way, and we are, what, Pisgah Road or something? Pisgah Highway. And then we're gonna head towards Brevard to go home. It's about the same amount of time, and came up on this little waterfall called Cove. It's only 0.7 total, so we're gonna go take a little break and go check it out. We think this is an easy hike. We saw kids with like no shoes on or something. So Shane's doing it in his flip-flops. So it's totally 0.7 one way. Whoops. Good girl. This is so much fun. So our next and probably final waterfall of the day is the Looking Glass Falls. Super easy, it's literally right off the road. It's cute as shit.
Oh, let's see what it is. Little ring. There's a.
I don't know, but I love him.
Just a little tiny brown snake.
Oh my god! I think he stepped on him.
No, I didn't.
Ah! I thought he was a worm.
That's a worm snake. Remember the ones we
He's a